It is a proven fact that sometimes it's necessary to tear something down in order for something to be built on a more solid foundation. And man, Lord knows I've learned that lesson over and over and over and over again. And so I'm just sitting up here thinking about where we are as an organization right now. And I look at where we were just 15 months ago. I look at where we were just 24 months ago, just 2 years ago. It's 2020. It is May 8th, 2018. I was knee deep in another company, and we were getting ready to transition, and we were decreasing in size. So it's amazing, man. The bounce back, is always a setup for the comeback. Setback. What they say, the setback is always a setup for the comeback, man. It's your boy, man, James R. Davis. Listen, sometimes you got to get something tear down. Sometimes your relationship got to be torn down in order to be rebuilt. Sometimes your house got to be torn down in order to be rebuilt. Sometimes your business got to be torn down in order to be rebuilt. Sometimes things in life got to be torn down in order to be rebuilt on a more solid foundation. So, embrace that. It's your boy, James R. Davis. Seen you waking up looking like I don't know what the fuck happened to him last night. Feeling good, though, man. Peace and love, man. James R. Davis, signing out.